Hey everyone, it's Justin again, and in this video we're going to be discussing unit rates, which are a way that units are often combined. We've discussed individual units, but not everything is measured that way. Take, for instance, the speedometer in a car. We don't measure speed using just miles or just hours. We combine the two, miles per hour. Going 60 miles per hour is fairly fast, while going 10 miles per hour is pretty slow. And if somebody passes you going 120 miles per hour, they are probably going to get pulled over. So we have a very clear, common example of a unit rate. But what actually is a unit rate? A unit rate is a rate that expresses change in one measurement with regard to another unit of measurement. And that second unit is usually some unit of time. So measuring a car's speed in miles per hour means we're measuring how many miles the car can travel within a time span of a single hour. Calculating unit rates is easy, so let's take this example for instance. A car travels 490 miles in 7 hours. What is the average speed of the car? Now, we could do a whole bunch of thinking and planning and acting logically, or we could do this the easy way. I prefer the easy way. First, we set up the unit rate. In this case, that'll be miles per hour, so we write that as a fraction. Now, match up the numbers to the units. 490 miles and 7 hours. Now just divide. 490 divided by 7 is 70. And our units are miles over hours, otherwise known as miles per hour. It's as easy as that. Set up the fraction and then divide. Let's try it on this problem. A shopper spends $12.50 for fruit priced by the pound. The shopper bought 20 pounds of fruit. LBS is just the abbreviation for pounds. What is the price per pound to the nearest cent? Notice the way the question is worded. It tells us exactly what our unit rate needs to be, price per pound. So we set up our unit, then match up the values to the units. $12.50 is the price over 20 pounds. Now we divide. Many unit rates don't divide evenly, so you'll definitely need a calculator handy. 12.5 divided by 20 is 0.625. But the question said to round it to the nearest cent, so that would be 0.63, or 63 cents per pound of fruit. A MIA Prep student completes 5 lessons in 4 hours. How many lessons are completed per hour? Again, the problem tells us what units to use. Lessons per hour. We know the number of lessons was 5, and the number of hours was 4. When we divide, we get 1.25 lessons per hour. In the next video, we'll be combining together everything we've learned so far in this lesson to convert unit rates using a skill called dimensional analysis.